Hello and welcome to this module in which we are going to learn how to create charts for data analysis. We shall learn why charts are important, how to create various kinds of charts, and we shall see how each type of charts are suitable for different kinds of data analysis. Whenever you need to analyze some numbers, be it for your own benefit or for the presentation to your management or to someone else, trying to put across your point with a sheet full of numbers, be it a small table like this or a slightly complex one like this, becomes a bit of a difficult task. That's when charts become a very handy tool. We are going to discuss 4 types of charts in this particular module. Number 1 is the pie chart, which basically represents the position of various elements of your data analysis as compared to the grand total. The second chart that we are going to discuss is a column chart or a bar chart, which again represents various elements of your data, and we can very easily compare one's position to another. The third chart that we will learn is the line chart. It's very well used for showing trends. And the fourth chart that we will use is the combination of column and line charts. In the next session, we are going to learn how to create a pie chart and when to use it.